Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about MySQL database. So this is the introduction part that is available here. So for getting the MySQL in your system, first you have to download the MySQL. Okay. So inside the MySQL only we will be able to work on the database. So inside the Python, database is one of the most important parts. So it will help you to connect MySQL, and then first we have to download it, and some things are only done by with the help of my database only. Okay, so for that downloading and installation, first we have to go to the MySQL connector and you have to download it. After downloading it, then you have to check it if that particular things that you installed it is working on the my prompt or not. Okay, so you have to save this file and in your particular path, then you should remember the part 2. So after that you have to write Python -m pip install mysql connector Python. Now you have to download and install the mysql driver. So let me just write it here. So once I'll write it, I will be able to just download and install the MySQL driver. Fine. So let me just do it. On screen, you can see I have mentioned here. Let me just enter. Let me just check. Okay, I have entered. So requirement already satisfied. MySQL connector is available now. So that is how you can see these kind of package that is already available inside our system. So once you'll write it, all the package will be installed and available over there. Fine. So these are the few kinds of term. They are basic demo I have added here. You can read it. First, you have to write import MySQL connector. So inside the notepad, you can write it. And after that, this is the format you should start with in case of the MySQL connector. Fine. After that, you have to give one name. For example, I have given MyDB, that is the database, mysql.connector.connect. Inside that, whatever the things you need to mention, you will be able to mention over there. So I need to do host, user, and password. I have mentioned all the things that is required. After that, my cursor, my db.cursor, sorry, these are the kinds of terms that you need to mention over there. Fine. After that, you write test.python, and then you will be able to run this code. So once you run this code, you will be able to see that that code is exist. Okay, so that is how you need to work on. So these are the few kinds of terms that are available. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you so much.